I'm Maurice Michael, and I'm the principal designer in SoundHound. The core principles that we were using is the same core principles as we're using for visual. Who's going to be the user, when he's going to use it, where, and work around the constraints of the interface as well to come up with a solution for that user. So first of all, think of the user and think of the device. For example, if you're designing for a car, try to ask yourself, how do I open the maps with voice? What information do I show the user once he's saying open maps or navigate? Then what's going to be the follow-up question or the follow-up visuals? And it's kind of like a dialogue. You need to think as a product designer and use the same tools and process as you're using as a visual designer. And another thing is also like testing. With voice, it's challenging because in visual design, we can take user from A to B by pressing a button, but with voice, we actually need to build a prototype and see how the user interacts with it and observe. It can be challenging, but nevertheless, you need to test as much as possible. Document everything that you're doing, your successes, your failures. Slowly build a framework for a voice UI design. Most of the time, you're going to find yourself using the same best practices and the same solutions that were successful and can be imported to the new solution that you're working on. When voice came, it was similar to going from web to mobile, but now it's not only going to a different screen, it's going to no screen. With this came new opportunities, and we found ourselves going into sound, like how the voice sounds, pitch, rhythm, different sound effects. We, as the product designers, we just adjust and we learn new things. We get information from the users, we're using it ourselves. We always try to make our solution better, and also sometimes new technology is available, so we can use that as well.